Hi guys, in this lecture you will be learning how to write the text in a file. So first of all, I have created the new project whose name is 38 file writing. So let's create a file, text file in it. Here I'm gonna create a file and its name is test, and here I'm gonna write a text in this file. So this is an empty file, and here I'm gonna close this file. And now let's start. First of all, we need to create the object of this file. You have already know how to create the object of the file, and here is the test.txt. Here we need to place the double quotes, here are the semicolon, and now I'm gonna use the try with resources. So here I'm gonna write try and then these parentheses and then brackets, and now I'm gonna place here the buffered writer. To write the text in the file, we need to use the buffered writer. So the buffered writer can write the file in the form of the byte. Here I'm gonna write buffered and writer. This is the buffered writer, and let's create its object. Here is br is equal bw b, and then new, and then buffered, and then writer, and then parentheses, and now here b. So now I'm gonna import the buffered writer. Here is the buffered writer is import, and the file, here is the file is also import. So now here I'm gonna create a new object of the file writer like previous. Here is the new file writer, here is the file writer, and then the parentheses. In between these parentheses I'm gonna pass this file object. Here is the fl. So now here we need to import the file writer. Here all the file writer is present. So this is the try with resources buffered writer. This is the buffered writer, and buffered writer have the file writer object and it have the file object. So now here I'm gonna catch clause. Here I'm gonna write the catch section. Here print the exception on the screen if the exception is occur, and in between these parentheses I'm gonna write the text in the file bw, that is the buffered writer. Then we need to use the write function. This is the write function, and in between these parentheses we need to write the string in between the double quotes. It is the double quotes, and here I'm gonna write I am Fahad Ashfaq, and let's check it. Run it, and now let's check the file. Here is the file, and here you can see that I am Fahad Ashfaq is written. But now I'm gonna write another line. So now here I'm gonna write another line, copy this, and here I'm gonna write I am Ali, and let's run it. So it is written in the file. So I'm gonna close this file and open it again. Here you can see that it is updated, but here you can see that the new line is not added. If we want to write the second line, if we want to write this second line with the space of the line, so we need to write new line, so it add the new line. Here we need to write its capital L and close it and open it again, so it's gonna be updated. We need to run the program and then open it. So here you can see that the second line is now on the second line. So this is the way of adding the new lines. So this is the file writing. In the next lecture I'm going to discuss the run time exception, or in other words it is also called the uncheck exception. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.